Hey friends, so here is a quick reminder about tangent secant exterior angle measure theorem. All right, it is a super long line, but it kind of tells you everything you need to know about the theorem in its name. All right, so remember with tangent, secant, tangents and secants, they are lines that touch their circle either one time if you're a tangent, two times if you're a secant. All right, so basically, if a tangent and a secant, two tangents or two secants intersect outside our circle, then the measure of the angle formed is half of the difference of the intercepted arcs. So what this means is we're going to have to take our bigger arc, subtract the smaller arc measure from it, and then divide by 2 to find our angle measure. All right, remember that's what the word difference means. It means to subtract. And typically you can see on the diagram one arc is bigger than the other. So you're going to take your bigger number, subtract your smaller number, divide by 2 to find your angle. So if you look at this example down here, I have this bigger arc right here. It's this 175. So I'm going to start with 175. Then I'm going to subtract my smaller arc measure. Let me pick a different color. My smaller arc is this little guy right here that's between my two secant lines. So I'm going to subtract 57 from 175. And then I have to take half of that to find my angle measure. So I'm going to plug into my calculator 175 minus 57, which gives me 118. And then half of 118 is 59 degrees. So this little question mark, this little angle right here is 59 degrees. Hope this helps. Hey friends, so here is another tangent secant exterior angle theorem problem, okay? So we are still solving for our angle measure right here. However, if you look, we don't have a big arc labeled, okay? We have that piece right here, and then we only have the 120 degrees labeled. That's between our two tangent lines. But if you look at my two arcs that I just highlighted, when you combine them, they form a full circle. So in order to find my big arc, all I have to do is subtract this 120 from the total measure of a circle, which is 360. So over here, I'm going to do a little bit of side work. My big arc measure is going to be 360 degrees minus 120, which means that this pink arc is 240 degrees. So now I have a big arc and a small arc that I can plug into my formula. My big arc is 240 minus my small arc, which is 120 degrees, divided by 2 gives me my angle measure. So 240 minus 120 is 120 degrees. Then I take half of that, and my angle is 60 degrees. So this little guy is 60 degrees. Hope this helps.